In this tutorial, I will demonstrate the process of transferring funds from your Monzo account to another bank account, but first please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So let's begin by navigating to the payments option located in the lower bar. Then, at the top of the screen, you will want to click on the payment button. At this point you can transfer money with two choices, or using a bank transfer or utilizing a link to pay someone. Let's start with the bank transfer option. Upon selection, your personal details will be displayed. Specify the amount you wish to send. Afterward, simply proceed by clicking Next. Then type the 4-digit PIN to confirm the payment. As for the second alternative, pay anyone with a link, click and choose the amount you want to send. Once validated, you'll receive a payment link that can be shared with anyone. This sums up the process of transferring funds from your Monzo account to another bank account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.